Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install PHP onto your Windows PC. So let's get started into it. Open up your favorite browser and head over to php.net. While you are here, click on downloads. From this page, go ahead and select the version of PHP that you want to download. The most stable version right now is going to be the 8.3, so I'm going to select that. And I'll leave the format at zip downloads, and then I'll scroll the way down to the thread safe version. And I'm also running an x64 operating system, so this right here is the best option for me. Okay, the thread safe, I'm going to click on the zip right here. You can see the file size, so immediately I click on the zip, the download is going to get started, and here it is. The download has started, and now the download is complete, as you can see right here. By the way, if your PC is running on x86 operating system right here, you also have your suitable versions for you. And now that the download is complete, let's head over to our downloads. And now I'll quickly extract this file right here. As you can see, it's a zip file. To do that, I'm going to right click on the file and I'm going to select extract all, and here extract here. And here we go, you can see the extracted folder right here. So what I'm gonna do is to copy up that folder. So I'm going to right click and copy. Now I'll head over to my C drive. Here is my C drive, local disk, and then I'm going to paste what I just copied right here. So if I click here, it's going to paste right over here. And here you have what I just pasted, which is the PHP version 8.3.30. So I'm going to rename it to PHP 8.3.30. So basically, I'm going to remove all these jargons right here, and I'll only leave the PHP-8.3.30, and I hit enter. And next, I'll open up the folder right here, and then I'm gonna right click over here and I click on copy address. Then I'll go ahead and open up my environment variable. Let me go ahead and do that. Go to your search bar and start typing the environment, and you're going to see this option, the environment variable right here. Click on that and go ahead and click on environment variables. Over here, if you want to set it up for a particular user, you can do that right here. But if you want to set it up globally on your PC, you're working with this section right here. In my case, I want to set it up globally, so I'll be using this section right here. So I'm going to click on the path option right here, and I'll click edit. And over here, I'm going to double click on the next field, and of course I'm going to paste what I just copied, which is the path to the file that we just pasted over our hard drive. After pasting that, I'm going to click on OK, and then OK, and of course OK. Right now we're done setting up the environment variable. Now to test if PHP is active on my PC, I'll go ahead and open up the terminal, so cmd, and then I open up the command line prompt right here, and I'm gonna type php --version, enter, and here we go. I have PHP 8.3.30 up and running on my PC. To download other versions of PHP, go ahead and follow this procedure as well. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.